How to make a Keynote animation in 12 easy steps. Step 1. First, touch the picture of a smiling emoji so the corners turn blue, and then touch the paintbrush icon in the top right-hand corner. Step 2. Next, when you touch the paintbrush, you go on the style and move the opacity to somewhere around 50. Then click on the plus symbol. Step 3. Step 4. Next, click Drawing and get out the Apple Pencil or stylus, or use your finger. And then there's a picture of an Apple Pencil. Then use the Apple Pencil to trace the smiley emoji using the different colors. There's a picture of someone drawing. Step 6. Next, click the background smiley face and click Delete. When you finish your drawing, click on the photo so the corners are blue. Next, click Animate and click Build In. Next, click Line Draw and then click Done. Step 10. Then click Animate again and click Line Draw and change the duration to 6 seconds. Step 11. Next, click Done and click the play symbol. Step 12. Tap the screen and watch your awesome animation.